Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the bald head filter on Snapchat. And then once you have the filter on Snapchat, you can go ahead, record a video on there, and then go ahead and post it on Instagram or TikTok or any other social media that you please to do so. All you have to do to get this filter is go over to your Snapchat application, open that up. Once you're on the Snapchat application, you want to go over to your search bar at the very top and just search for bald. And the one you're going to be looking for is the one with the two faces. It's called Bald Man Lens Snapchat. So just click that filter right there. And then as you see, it'll work right away. And then you can go ahead and record a video or take a photo. And then you'll have that filter on here. Now, what you want to do is you also want to favorite it just so you have that always on your filters list. So to do that, you just go to the bottom and just click on the little favorite option, and then it'll be saved to your favorite. So you can go ahead and make more videos and photos with this filter. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get the bald head filter on Snapchat. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.